One-on-one mentoring review by Boss
Hello, hello,
Yancy.
hello. Magandang gabi,
Staycation.
good evening, mga
Get an
kaibigan.
FDMO account 20% discount.
Dito ako ngayon nanood kami ng PK. At saka meron lang akong meron tayong review sa mentoring natin. Ito, natapos na yung kay Boss Yancy. Ito sabi niya, "Hello Sir RJ, I wanted to express my gratitude for your guidance and support throughout our time together. Your expertise and insights have been incredibly valuable to me, and I appreciate the effort you put into helping me grow as a trader. Your patience and ability to explain complex concepts in a clear and concise manner have made our session effective and enjoyable. I feel more confident in my trading abilities. Thanks to the knowledge and skills you've imparted on me, I genuinely appreciate the personalized attention you provided, taking the time to address my question and concern thoroughly. Your dedication to ensure my understanding and success is evident, and I am grateful for the personalized learning experience. Moving forward, I will continue to apply the strategies, techniques, and principles you've taught me. Your guidance has equipped me with the tools and mindset necessary to navigate the trading world with confidence. Thank you once again for your support, expertise, and professionalism throughout our session. It has been a pleasure learning from you, and I wish you continued success in your endeavors. Daghang salamat." Ayan, si Boss Yancy. Yan yung review niya sa atin. So solid. And sa mga gusto magpa-mentor, always welcome lang, okay? So just DM mo lang ako sa TikTok, and then inquire ka lang din about sa mentoring. If you're a newbie or experience, all good. If you want also some knowledge about prop firm, pwede din, okay? Ayan. Again, sa mga gusto mag-FTMO, merong 20% discount ngayon kasi November, parang Black Friday, tawag din na discount. Kasi something may discount talaga pagka November. So, yan, pwede kayo mag-avail, 20%. Ako, bumili din ako ng isa kong account. And then, kasi tapos na lahat ng test ko, yung trial ko ng 10K, 25, 50, 100 at 200, pasado na lahat ng trials ko in 1 to 2 days. And then ito, ibinalikan ko ulit ang 10K na trial. Ayan, binalikan ko yung 10K, and then pasado na lahat. Ayan, isang trade na lang to 2 days result. Nag-hit ako ng 10%. Ayan, profit target, 10%. Ayan. And then, isang trade lang yan. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Yung pangalawa ko na trade, lang yan, parang sample lang, something. Actually, isang trade ko, tapos na ako. Ayan, so kaya, bumili na tayo ng account natin para sa challenge. Ayan. So, meron na tayong running na challenge. Ngayon ko lang binili kasi nga naka-discount. So, 10K. Yan, ongoing. So, again, of course, hindi ibig sabihin na nakuha mo na yung trial, nakuha mo na din kaagad yung challenges and verification. Pero, pag nakuha mo yung trial, mas malaki na yung chance mo na kaya-kaya mo na yung challenge and verification, okay? And so, importante lang talaga sa trading is yung psychology. Na pag once na-gets mo na yung market, yung psychology, kailangan i-develop mo yung isip natin na always naghahabol ng panalo, kasi yun yung desire talaga ng isip natin na gusto palaging manalo. Ang problema pag naghahabol ka na gusto ka palaging manalo, so malakas yung hatak ng emotion mo. So dahil parang pendulum swing yan, pag malakas yung hatak ng emotion mo, gusto mong manalo, at saka pag nanalo ka, di ang saya mo. So ang mangyari next, pag namali ka, depress ka rin, ayaw mo na rin mag-trade. So kailangan you keep stable lang talaga, sa gitna ka lang, para hindi ka pagano-ganto yung emotion mo na sobrang saya, sobrang lungkot. So kailangan i-practice mo na manalo ka ng trade mo, okay lang. Matalo ka, okay lang. So ganun lang, you treat it like a business. So for example, sa challenges, para kumita ka ng $100,000, so you can expect, nagagastos ka ng mga halagang, sabihin natin, $10,000 or $3,000. Ako, nakagastos na ako ng $3,000. So, ganun. So, i-treat mo as, parang business. Na nakagastos ka ng ganito, hindi lahat ng challenges mapapasa mo, pero at least healthy yung mindset mo, na hindi ka always tama. So, you just keep on doing it. Okay? So, ganun lang naman yun eh. Okay? So, all the best everyone. Stay safe, trade safer. And again, sa mga trader dyan, ang mind natin always wants to win. Kaya mahirap na kalaban yan pagdating sa trading, which is ang trading environment is probability game. And so yung mind mo will play tricks on you. Kasi pagka once he sense danger and hindi naman real yung danger sa probability game, so kaya yung emotion mo ang laki ng part niya pagka nagfe-fail na tayo sa trade. Okay? So hopefully, ayun, maintindihan natin yan mas maaga para mas maaga tayo ma-improve yung trading natin and mas maaga tayo maging consistent. Isang solusyon para ma-fix mo yung emotion mo is magkaroon ka ng trading plan na checklist. Okay? Pag andito yung checklist mo, trade ka. Pag tinamaan, PP, okay. So, kumbaga, mechanical lang yung trading plan mo. No emotions attached dun sa trading plan mo. And so, yan din yung ginagawa ko sa trading plan ko na mechanical lang. Pagka tinamaan yung mga checklist ko, pasok. Yan. And then, kung may stop loss, okay. So, kung tamaan ng TP, good. Yan. So, with proper risk management, solid na siya. Okay? Ayan. So, all the best everyone. Stay safe, trade safer. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay?
Chocolate ka kanina. Gabi o maliwanag? Ay, gabi. Lights on. Laki mo ba? Bakla.
Babae. Babae ng basta po. Snotok ka na sa kanya.
Okay na ba? Okay na ba? Okay na po. Ano yung pangit?
Pindutin mo yung taas.
Hindi na sarap dahil sir.
Hello!
Shout out nga pala dyan.
Oh, smile na. 1, 2, 3, smile.